Welcome back, Amazon sellers and future Amazon sellers, to this video where I will teach you how to start an Amazon business with a low budget. I'm Sophia and I've been an Amazon seller myself for over 9 years. Now, what if I told you that you can start an Amazon business today with less money than what it costs to buy the newest iPhone? I know it sounds crazy, but that's how I got started. Not with a big warehouse, not with a six-figure budget, just a hustle mindset and a few couple $100s. When I got started, I had no idea what I was doing. I hated my job. I felt like I didn't have a future there, and I knew something had to change at a structural level. So I scraped together a couple $100s, which was all the money I had at that point. I was 18 at the time, and I used it to start small. It wasn't perfect. I made mistakes, but that decision is what opened the door to everything I have today. So how can you start an Amazon business with a low budget? With the 3 S's. Start small, start smart, but start. Don't try to launch 10 products at once. Focus on one product that you've researched well and you know has revenue and a sales volume. Now, I know you're thinking, but how do I even know what product to choose? Now, the good news is you don't need to guess. There are tools out there, software, and some of them are for free, that actually help you see what's selling right now. You're not looking for a unicorn. You're looking for what's already proven, for a product that has sales volume and profitability. Second tip, start under your own name to avoid spending money on legal business setup. You can always upgrade that later on. But won't I look unprofessional? Trust me, Amazon doesn't care if your LLC is set up from day one. You can absolutely start selling under your own personal name. And once you're making consistent sales and revenue and you're ready to invest in a formal structure, you can switch your Amazon account with no problem to an LLC. Your structure can evolve as your revenue grows. Tip number 3, don't start paying for Amazon's professional selling plan right away. Use the individual plan until you're ready to actually ship inventory to the Amazon warehouse. That alone is going to save you about $39 every single month. Paying for the professional plan on Amazon is like paying rent on a store that you haven't opened yet. So wait until it makes sense and you have a product that's ready to ship. When it comes to inventory, don't try to invent a new brand if you're on a tight budget. Start with name brand products that are already selling. You can source these products through retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. You can look for clearance or discounted items from major retailers, and that's a great way to start if you're on a tight budget. If you're thinking, but I don't want to go physically from store to store, which is very tiring. That's how I started my Amazon business. You don't have to, that's okay. Many sellers source online. You can buy from retailers online and have your first box of products ready without even leaving your house. Now, even better, you can work with suppliers who already know how to ship products directly to Amazon FBA and are open to a low MOQ, so a low minimum order quantity. But aren't suppliers only for big orders? No, some suppliers will let you start with just 10 or 20 units, and they'll even prep and ship for you directly to Amazon, so that it's no warehouse, no handling, and no added stress for you. The truth is, if you have $500, that's enough to start. It's not enough to build an empire on day one, but that's enough to prove that the system works for you and to start your learning curve. Now, what if you're tight on time? You can absolutely build this business part-time during your nights, weekends, and lunch breaks. That's how many of us got started because we also had jobs at the same time. And here's some great news. Starting with less money forces you to be sharper, more resourceful, and more focused. So you actually, on the long run, have an edge over people that start with money you can always get once you're selling consistently and successfully. You can always get funding. But that hustler mindset that you develop when you start with a low budget, that's valuable. And also, when you learn how to do the Amazon business, you're learning so much, and that knowledge pays in weight. Starting an Amazon business is literally like getting a master on business administration. The knowledge that you will get about how to manage a business is crazy, and it will pay off in ways that you cannot even imagine yet. If you want to learn more about how to sell on Amazon, click the link below for a free 90-minute class where we will teach you how to step-by-step start your business on Amazon the right way. You don't need to be a millionaire, you just need the right roadmap. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the free class and in the next video.